It's a new day, and I'm on a mission to inspire you with today's motivational walk and save mini challenge. Our moods are constantly changing, and so are our bodies. Today's challenge invites you to walk with your mood, not against it. If you wake up tired or heavy, take slow, steady steps. Let the rhythm soothe you. If you're feeling restless, pick up the pace, release that extra energy, and let your walk become a reset button. Matching your movement to your mood isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. When you tune in to how you feel and move accordingly, you start to create balance. You give your emotions a healthy outlet instead of holding them in. And here's the magic. Once you match your mood, you can shift it. A slow walk can bring calm, a brisk one can build focus. Both create space for clarity. When you're done, save $4 as your mood fund. You've turned awareness into action, and that's emotional intelligence in motion. Let this be your reminder that emotions are not roadblocks, they're signals. When you honor what you feel, you create room for peace and progress. Keep matching your movement to your mood, and you'll find balance wherever your day takes you. So join our free community today to share your thoughts about today's mini challenge. Very importantly, you'll also discover how simple daily walks can improve your health, how smart saving strategies help offset the high cost of living and inflation, and how you can earn thousands in extra monthly income, all without spending a single dollar. You'll also learn how to purchase this month's challenge journal for motivation and to track your daily thoughts, walks, and savings. Additionally, you'll receive our free Earn Additional Income digital ebook today. Simply click the link in the description or comments section to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our daily challenges with everyone you know. See you tomorrow, and thank you for watching.